Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to activate your Visa debit card of US bank. Okay, so I'm going to provide you very easy method by which you can easily activate your card. So you can see the steps. So the third method is very easy. You just need to simply call their customer support team, and once you get connected, they will ask you some questions and you need to provide your card details, and then they will activate your card, and they will also ask you to create your pin, and you can activate your card by dialing their phone number. The phone number and the link of the website, official website page, I will provide you in description box. Okay, so I have blurred the phone number because it's not allowed on YouTube, okay, to showing the phone numbers. Now the second and the first and second method is like to activate your US bank debit card by using app. You just need to simply log in into your app. You can select manage card and choose your card, and then activate your card and create your pin. If you're using your online banking, you can select your account and then manage card and then choose your card and then select activate card and create your pin. So these are the three methods by which you can activate your US bank debit card and create your pin. Okay, so if you want to know the number without any efforts, then you can visit in the description box. You will get the phone number and you will get the official link of this page, the same page link I will provide you. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.